So in this video I will discuss about how to draw the isometric view of the frustum of the square pyramid. So the size base edge is 40 mm, height is 50 mm and top edge is 20 mm. Now I will be drawing the reference line first as usual. Okay, I will be drawing the reference line xy. Okay, now I will be taking any suitable point and measuring the 30-degree angle both sides. So I have measured this 30-degree angle. I will be drawing the 30-degree line on one side. Yes, and 30-degree on the other side as well. Now you can take it 40 mm, base edge 40 mm it is given. I have measured for 40. So you can mark it here, here and on the other side as well. You can simply cut it this as well. So now you can join this. Join this always thin lines. Always join thin line because at the end sometimes you have to erase this. Always join is thin. Okay. Now next is you can find out the center. You can mark the center here. Center of this. Okay. So this is the center. Now you can measure the height 50 mm. So first you need to draw chain line. Okay, so you will be drawing the chain line vertical. And then 50 mm you can measure from here. So 50 mm I am measuring here. So it is 50. Now you can draw any line horizontal through this 50 height. Now upper edge is 20 mm. So you can take 10 above this and 10 below this. So the total will be 20. So this is actually the diagonal of this upper rhombus. Now I am going to measure this 20. So 20 mm I am measuring. So you can take draw two arcs of 20 here. Now you can join this. Okay. So I'll be joining this. Continuous thick line I'll be joining. Yes. Now you can join the visible edges. So this line will be visible. This edge will be visible, the front edge. So it will be merging with this thin line, chain line. So chain line will merge with this continuous thick line, visible line. So this will be also joined. Actually now this is the frustum of the square pyramid. You can join these visible edges. Okay. Now whatever is visible you can join. So this edge will be visible. This edge will be also visible in the front. So I think this is complete. Now I'll be doing the dimensioning only. You can erase any unwanted lines.